children, welcome to the computer class of 6th standard. Today we are going to continue with chapter number 9, Internet Online Surfing. In this chapter, we are going to discuss the following topics from pages number 113 till 115. We will discuss email and its features, email account, email address, creating email account, sending email and attaching a file using email. Now open your computer book at page number 113. Here we will learn the first heading, that is email and its features. Now here you can see we will learn the term of email from page number 113, where email stands for electronic mail. Email is a facility on the internet to send and receive messages anywhere around the world. Here you can see, using a website like gmail.com, we are able to send and receive messages online anywhere around the world. Here we are going to discuss about the popular sites to send email, like www.gmail.com, www.yahoo.com and www.rediffmail.com. Now here you can see, nowadays the most popular site that is used to send and receive messages is gmail.com. Now here we are going to discuss about the email address. In order to use email facility on the internet, first of all we need to create our personal email account. That is also known as email address. Now here we are going to discuss about email address from page number 114. Email address consists of username and a domain name, where username is the name of the person to whom we have to send the mail. For example, in olden times we were sending letters to our relatives or friends. On the letters we were writing the name of the recipient who will receive our mail. For example, holyheart@gmail.com, where Holy Heart is the name of the user, or also known as username. Now next we are going to discuss about the domain name from page number 114. Here you can see a domain name is unique name that identifies website on the web. Every email is identified by the unique email address, which means that no two individuals in the world can have the same email address, and the domain name identifies from which site you are sending your email. For example, .com stands for commercial sites, .in stands for Indian sites, .aus stands for Australian sites, and .org stands for any organizational site. Here you can see the example of email address, that is holyheart@gmail.com, where gmail.com is known as the domain name. Now we are going to discuss about how to create an email account from page number 114. Here are the steps to create an email account. There you can see, first of all we need to connect to the internet. Then we have to type in search box on Google Chrome www.gmail.com. Step number 3, we have to click on create account link. Step number 4, we have to fill the details and choose the username and password according to our choice. And at last, after creating an email, we have to accept the agreement. Let's see it practically now. Now first of all, double click on Google Chrome, and here you will see the Google Chrome site will open. There in search box you have to type www.gmail.com. After typing, you have to click and here you can see a Google sign-in form will open. Now, the first time you are going to create the email, then you need to click on Create Account option. After clicking on Create Account, click on For Myself. And here you can see to create a new account, the form will open. Here you will type your first name, that is, I'm going to type here Dev. Last name, your caste. Here I'm going to type Kumar. In username, you have to set the name of your email. For example, here I'm going to take the name Kumar Dev 321 at gmail.com. Now I have to set the password. Your password should be very strong so that nobody else can guess it. If you want to see it, you can click on Show Password. If you hide it, just click on that eye. Now here you can see I'm going to type here the password, that is Kumar123 at Dev. Now again I have to type the same password to confirm it. After typing the name and password, click on Next button. And here you can see your account details have been filled. Now here you can see the other details like your phone number, that is also optional. You can see here you can type the recovery email, that is also optional. Now next, here I am going to type my DOB. Here I have to fill the details of the date of birth. Also choose the gender. After completing all the agreement, click on Next button. After selecting, we have to confirm the agreement. So here click on I agree. And now you can see your email account has been created. And in this way your email account window will appear. Now again look at your book at page number 114. There you will see the next headings, that is Inbox and Compose or Write Mail. Now here we are going to discuss about the inbox, where inbox displays the information about all the received mails. If somebody will send you message online using email, then you will get such inbox. From there you are able to know that how many mails you have received. Now here we are going to discuss about how to compose or write mail. Here you can see clicking on Compose button will open a window with following components, that is 2. CC stands for carbon copy, BCC stands for blind carbon copy, subject and message. Here you can see a window will appear in front of you in this way, where you can type the message and send to the person whom you want. Now let's learn about the different components of Compose Mail window. Here you can see the first component of Compose Mail window is to, where to contains email address of person whom we want to send email. Next component of the Compose window is CC, where CC stands for carbon copy, where email addresses are mentioned in this field will be visible to all the recipient of the mail. Next component is BCC, where BCC stands for blind carbon copy. Email addresses are mentioned in this field will not be visible to all the recipient of the mail. These fields we are going to use when we want somebody else also can see that the same mail has been sent to these number of persons. Now the next part of compose mail window is subject, where I have already explained about the subject in the previous videos, where subject is used to give the brief description about the mail. It also gives the idea about the message that we are going to write. And the last important component of the mail window is message, where we can type message just like a normal letter or greetings with one or more paragraphs, and also we can add our name at the bottom of the message. We can also change its format according to our choice. Now let's see the working of all the components of compose mail window practically. Now first of all, open your email account. Now here you can see, by clicking on inbox option, you will get all the received mails in your inbox. And if you want to type a message to any person, just click on this compose button and the compose message window will appear on your screen. Now here you can see, in this new message window we can type the message according to our choice. In to field we have to type the name of the person to whom we want to send the mail. Now here I am going to type the email address of the person to whom I want to send email. Now here you can see I have typed the name of the person. Now here I need to give the subject, means which gives the short description regarding our mail. Here I am going to type reminder of Gmail account. Now here you can see, here I have typed the description of the mail in subject box. In this white area I will type the message that I need to send. Here you can see I am sending a message to the person, and here I am writing, kindly check the attached file. After typing message, I need to give regards. So here you can see I have already filled an email address. Now these options we can use according to our choice, whereas in CC, when I will fill the email addresses of the other persons, that will be shown to each person who will receive the same mail. But the addresses typed in BCC will not be able to see the same message has been sent to which persons. Now in this way, after typing the mail, we will click on send button. If you want to check your sent message, you will simply just click on sent box, and in sent box the mails that you have sent to the person will appear. Now here we are going to discuss about how to send email using email account from page number 115. Here are the steps. Step number 1, open your email account. Step number 2, type your message. And step number 3 is click on send button. Here you can see, just now we have done practically, where this send button is used to send your message to the person whom you want to send it. Now next we are going to learn about the attaching a file from page number 115. Whereas email provide the facility to attach files for high-speed delivery anywhere in the world. It is easy way to send an important document or file, which can be photographs, videos, music, letters, etc. Here are the steps to send an attachment using email. Step number 1, open your email account. Step number 2, click on compose button. Step number 3, click on attach a file icon. Step number 4, select file and click on open button. And step number 5 is click on send button. Let's see it practically now. First of all, open your email account and click on Compose button. After clicking on Compose button, new message window will appear on your screen. Now type the email address of the person to whom you want to send an email attachment. Now type the subject to give the description about your message. Here I am going to type reminder to check attachment. Now type your message here. Like I'm going to type, Dear Priya, kindly check the attached file. After typing your message, click on this attached file icon. And here you can see an open dialog box will appear. From there you need to choose any file of your choice and click on open button. After clicking on open button, here you can see the file is attaching to your email. After attaching the file, you just simply need to click on send button. Till now we have learnt the following topics from pages number 113 till 115. We have learnt email and its features, email account, email address, creating email account, sending email, and how to attach a file using email. Now revise all the terms and do the practical practice of the same till done.